Hello everybody, welcome to K&D's Homestead. I'm Donna. I am going to cut up some potatoes for the freezer. I'm going to flash fry them and then I'm going to flash freeze them. I'm going to throw them in the deep fry for just maybe 2 minutes. I'm not going to cook them completely. I'm just going to lightly fry them. I'm going to take them out. I'm going to drain them on some flat cookie sheets and spread them out so that they're not, all bunched up, and I'm going to stick them in the freezer for just a little while. And once they have just about frozen to where they can be moved around loosely, I will bag them up. And the reason I'm doing this is because I have too many potatoes to preserve and keep through the winter. So I'm going to take about 20 pounds, I guess, of large potatoes, but I'm going to long cut for French fries. This way I can preserve the potatoes and they not be at risk of rotting because it's too many to store. And then when I'm ready to cook, I can just reach into the bag and I've already got pre-cut and pre-frozen French fries. I do this often and it works out really well. And if you do it this way, then when they're on the pan, the cookie sheet, they freeze individually and then they stay loose. If they're not pre-cooked and then frozen separately on a cookie sheet and you just put them into the freezer cut up, then they don't work out very well. They will freeze all clumped together and just be a terrible mess. This way they're loose, just like I've done in other videos for freezing vegetables. Freezing them this way keeps them nice and loose, and then I can just reach in and grab what I need. And then when I'm ready to cook, I don't have to peel them and cut them up. They're already ready. So that's what I'm going to get started on today. I hope you'll stick around till the end. I've got my grease ready and I've got a pan that will drain, and I am ready to put these potatoes in here. I'm just going to drop them down and cook them for maybe 2 minutes. I'm going to let these drain for just a minute and then I'll spread them out on my cookie sheet.